Hello everybody, let's solve one very nice question, and it came in IUQM 2023, and this type of series based sequence and series ka question is very frequent for the JEE examination. So you have to understand exactly what type, and you have to generalize what is to be done. First of all, by seeing the sum, what we will do. So let's start solving the sum. So in this case, the question is given, the sequence an is defined by a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to minus 4, and one relation is given. This relation is very important. So an plus 2 equal to minus 4, an plus 1 minus, in this case, minus 7 an. Okay, and what is the requirement? Requirement is given, the find the positive integral divisor of a50 square minus a49 into a51. So how to solve the sum? Whenever we'll see, always you have to make habit that by seeing the sum, exactly what you have to do. Okay, in this case, what we will do? First, we'll get some terms, a0 given, a1 given. So we'll try to get some 2-3 terms more, a2, a3, a4. After that, we'll see what can be done. Then we'll do the we'll generalize. Okay, so what we'll do this? First of all, in this case, an plus 2 equal to 1 minute. an plus 2 equal to minus 4 an plus 1 minus 7 an. So a0 given, a1 given. Now we'll find a2. a2 equal to minus 4 a1 minus 7 a0. That is minus 4, a1 is given minus 4 and minus 7 into 1. So what is coming here? So 16 minus 7. Okay, 16 minus 7 is what? 9. And a3 is given minus 4 a2 minus 7 a1, that is minus 4 into 9 minus 7, a1 is minus 4. So what is coming? 4 9 is 36, 36 minus 28, that is coming minus 8. Now we'll get a4, try to get a4. a4 is coming what? Minus 4 a3 minus 7 a2, that is minus 4 a3 is what? In this case, a3 we got already, and minus 7 a2 already we got 9. What is coming here? That is minus 31. Okay, now the requirement is a50 square minus a49 into a51. How will find? So suppose Tn equal to an square minus, then we need T50. It's one less of 50, one more 50. So let us find like this: an plus 1 into an minus 1. So from this, let us try to generalize and we'll find the a50. That is our final target. So everyone, T1, it is a1 square minus a0 into a2. So in this case, a1 square, a1 is minus 4, so minus 4 square, that is 16, minus a0, a0 is coming 1, and a2 is coming, what is given? a2 is coming here 9, 16 minus 9, that is coming 7. So T2 is what? a2 square minus a1 into a3. Tn, n equal to 2, a2, and when n is 2, this is an plus 1 is 3, an minus 1 is 1. So I think you have understood this. In this way, just let us let us calculate. So a2 square is what? In this case, a2 is given here 9 square is 81 minus a1 is what? a1 is minus 4, and a3 is what? In this case, a3 is minus 8. Okay, so 81 minus 32, it is coming to be 49. That is 49, that is coming 7 square. Now let's check. I think we have understood what is going to happen. So then also, what I got check kar diya jaye. So T3 is what? a3 square minus, in this case, a4 into a3. a4 into a2. So what is there? a3 square, that is 8 square, that is 64, minus 8 square, that is 64, minus A4 is what? A4 is 31. So minus of 31 into A2. A2 is what? A2 is 9. That is coming to be 343. Yes, understood? Everybody, remember one thing. For this type of examination, this type of IIT JEE examination or JEemain examination, you have to be very much expert in calculation. Okay, so we'll do all the things in every chapters, every part which are calculation required. What is the requirement? Main sums. Obviously, we'll cover in this channel. So in this case, 343. That is coming 7 cube. So our purpose is served. T1 is 7, T2 is 7 square, T3 is 7 cube. So what we'll do? That is our target T50. So T50 is A50 square minus A49 into A51, because I am putting n equal to 50 here. So what is coming? What should be? That is T1 is 7 to the power 1, T2 is 7 to the power 2, T3 is 7 to the power 3. So obviously T50, that is 7 to the power 50. Therefore, what are the number of, and 7 is the prime number. And as we know that for P to the power, as we know that for Pn, everybody understand one thing, and it's very important, remember, as we know that Pn to the power k has, if P is the prime number, then it has integral divisors are k plus 1, because in this case, everyone remember 1 is also the divisor. Therefore 7 square, in this case total number of total divisors equal to 50 plus 1, that is 51. Is it very tough, everyone? So you have to prepare this level, and I'll just give you this type of important sums regularly.